Hey y'all, it's Kess. Welcome back. So this video is going to be a little different. So several months ago, I asked for suggestions of what y'all would like to see, and somebody suggested my favorite skincare slash beauty products. So that's what we have here. And so I haven't forgotten about you. It's just taken me a long time to get motivated to do this one. I haven't been motivated to do much of anything lately. We're finally coming out of winter, and so since the weather's getting better, I'm feeling better and I'm feeling more like doing the fun things, and so here we are. I guess first thing, I'll start over here. This is a mirror that I got from Amazon several years ago. Probably should have opened this thing before I started my video. Oh, it's on already. So it's 5 times magnified on one side and just plain on the other. You can have it lit just on one side or the other or both, and you can hold the button down to make it super bright. And so it's rechargeable, obviously, but came with this little bag that I keep the charger and the cleaning cloth in. I've had this for years, and I haven't looked, honestly, I haven't taken the time to see if they still have this brand or not, but I've seen a ton of different ones like it on Amazon. And so that's good for this area over here because it's not very well lit at my table, even though it looks like it right now. I'm kind of in my own shadow when I'm trying to put on my makeup and stuff because the light is kind of over my left shoulder. And anyway, yeah, if you have a situation where your dressing area or whatever is not very well lit, then that's a good idea. It's also good for traveling, you know. So, next I'll go to my skincare. I'm pretty much Clinique all the way, and I have been for years. And these things, I will tell you, all the things I'm going to show you, these are not just my new favorites, new discoveries. These are my tried and true. I've tried other things, and I come back to them because they're better for me. And so, nothing sponsored. It's just my favorites, just stuff that I've used for years. And so, for my skincare, I guess I should do this first. And I'm out of the large size of this. I just had to order some more because I ran out. So this is it's a facial soap and mild. It's clear and it's not drying at all. My skin's kind of dry combination. So I use this all the time, and then if I need a little something extra, if I have a couple breakouts or if I wore makeup that I need to clean off, that's when I'll use this before the other. And it's creamy, so it's not drying either. And the older you are, the better it is to use a scrub more often because we have more dead skin cells that don't turn over as quickly as a younger person does. And so we need to exfoliate. And so, yep, I've tried other things. I've tried the Body Shop. Yeah, I've tried Alouette. I don't know if any of you have heard of that. My skin's pretty temperamental, pretty sensitive, and so I just keep coming back to this. And so every morning, this is what I clean my face with. Clarifying lotion. I'm a number 2 because it's I think that's for dry combination or for sensitive or something. I think this is dry combination. There's about 4 different ones. And so it's like a toner. It's also good to use after you've worn makeup all day. It cleans off that extra little bit that might be left. And then also in the morning after I do that, I like this. This is the Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. And you can get like anti-aging and like cartridges for anti-aging, cartridges for super dry skin, for rough texture, and you slide them down in here. And when you pump it, both of them come out together, mixed. I tried one of those. I didn't see a whole lot of difference. And so I just went back to this. And so that's what I use in the morning. And then at night, I've loved this for years. I've had to get refills of it because I like it so much. This is from a company called Dr. Botanicals. It's all natural stuff. And so this is an artichoke. My nose is itching. I put on some body mist, and I think I got some on my nose. Anyway, it's an artichoke night cream. I've even gotten samples of the that super expensive stuff that creme de la mer. And so I haven't even opened this one up yet because I had a little smaller tube of it. So we'll open it together and I'll show you. It's so creamy and rich, and my skin just drinks it up at night. I just pat it on, and it doesn't end up leaving me greasy at all. I mean, it looks heavy, but it's just great for my skin that's starting to age a little bit. You know, I'm a little dry, and so I'm starting to have a little bit more dryness around my eyes, which I'm not liking. And so this is great stuff. I've tried several different things from this company and I like them all, but it's pretty expensive, so I wait until I find a sale for 50% off, and then I get it for, oh, I don't know, maybe $15, $20. I can't remember, but I had to have it anyway. So okay, this is my favorite lotion. I've got a bunch of different scents. I've tried a bunch of different brands. Oh, I just realized I thought this was Hempz brand, but it's not. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I found that one on sale, and I thought it was a really good deal, but I don't know if it is or not because it's not the Hempz brand, so I've never had it before. Anyway, Hempz. I've got so many different scents of this lotion. I've tried lots of different ones once again, and they have so many yummy scents, and it soaks in really well. It does not leave me greasy, but yet it's still plenty moisturizing, and I think it's a lot more natural than lots of those brands out there, and it's not as strongly scented either. This one is a very floral scent, you know, so I'm not in the mood to use it all the time, but like my favorites are like the birthday cake, the watermelon and coconut, the citron something or other, and there's like a sugar cane. Oh, there's so many different ones that are so good. I use that lotion a lot more than other brands. Okay, I feel like I might be all over the place. I think I'll go to makeup next. So I've tried lots of different CC creams. This is my favorite for when I'm going out and I want something that'll give me good coverage for all day. And I like this one because it has a little shimmer to it, and it also has sunscreen in it, which is good for when I'm outside a lot. So like I have an uneven skin tone, and so this gives me good coverage for that, but still it's not so heavy. I use just a little dot here and there, and that's it. It doesn't take much. I mean, a little goes a long way of this stuff. And by the way, that's from It Cosmetics, and most of this stuff can be found at Ulta. I actually probably everything here, I don't know about the Angel, I'm not sure about that, but probably everything else here except for Dr. Botanicals and the Mirror came from Ulta. And so my favorite mascara besides Thrive Cosmetics, that's the really good stuff, but it's pretty expensive, so I don't buy it all the time. But this is L'Oreal's Telescopic mascara, and if you're like me and your lashes are just about non-existent, or if they're pretty light, this will really lengthen them and fill them out. This is great. I love it. I've had it for a while because I don't wear makeup but maybe once or twice a week, and so I hope I can still find it, because you know how they be changing the products all the time, and then you can't find your favorites. Eyeshadows. I use lots of different powdered ones, and they're okay. I guess if I had to choose a favorite powdered eyeshadow, it would be Morphe. But I really like these because they don't give me any fallout. They're both e.l.f. Cosmetics, and they're creamy, I've tried different types of these, and this is just my favorite. It goes on really smoothly, stays on real well, but yet it doesn't dry so quickly that I can't get it blended before it dries. So I like that extra creaminess, because some of them dry so quick you can't really work with them. And so my favorite lip product has got to be the NYX Butter Gloss, because it's so creamy and smooth. Sometimes lip products will taste bad, you know what I mean. Sometimes they're sticky, or they'll dry out and leave you flaky, but there's none of that with this. I have several of these and I love them. Okay, my favorite perfume is always going to be Angel from Mugler. And I love the bottle too. So it's so complex. It's got vanilla, bergamot, patchouli, coffee, chocolate, pineapple. I think there's some sort of floral scents in here too. There's pepper. Lots of stuff going on. That's probably why I like it so much, because you can smell it and pick out so many different things. There's just nothing else like it. And then my favorite body scrub, sugar scrub, is always going to be Tree Hut. There's lots of different yummy scents of this too. Besides the coffee one, we've had sugar cookie. We've had, I don't know, maybe watermelon or something too. I want to try some more. But these just kind of melt into your skin, you know, when you're using them in the shower or the bathtub, and they smooth out your knees and elbows really well, and so that's nice before shaving too. Okay, and my favorite shampoo and conditioner, I've been using these for over a year too, and my hairdresser keeps bragging on how healthy my hair is. Function of Beauty. And this says Function of Mine because you can personalize it, and I just put mine on it because I feel like there's not much that I have that's actually just mine and nobody else's. But you can choose your scent, you can choose your color. What I like so much about this is that you can choose specific things that you want added to your shampoo and conditioner. Like mine has heat protectant, it has scalp care, it has volumizing, moisturizing, I don't remember what else, but it's, you know, you can choose for your hair texture. So mine's for wavy hair. You can choose specifically everything that you're looking for, and that's why I love it. Like, it's pretty expensive. It's about $50 for the whole set of shampoo and conditioner, but this lasts me at least half a year. So, you know, compared to all the cheaper stuff out there that don't get the job done, I can't complain. Last thing, I think, is this scalp care stuff. This is from Pacifica, and it's rosemary apple cider. It's like a scalp treatment. So what I do is I wet my hair, and then I use this little applicator here to squeeze this out onto my scalp, and I rub it in and let it sit for, like, while I'm taking my bath or my shower, and then I rinse it out. And so this can be in the place of shampoo one night. And if I didn't say it already, my scalp is just kind of dry and itchy, and this really calms it down a lot. It just helps it feel a lot better. And that also came from Ulta. So the one thing that I'm missing is body wash. I'm still itching my nose. I don't know what is bothering me. Anyway, I don't really have a favorite body wash. I've used that brand that everybody uses. It dries me out. It's pretty strong. I have to be really careful which scents I get. I've tried lots of different other stuff. I don't have a favorite. If you have dry skin or sensitive skin and you still like the yummy smells, if you found something that you really like, let me know what it is. I'll be trying it. Anyway, this was fun and different, and so let me know what your favorites are. If I left something out, what do you like? So anyway, have a good night, and I'll see you later. Bye.